this video, I want to show you how to create masturbation survey. First, you need to click extension, click view form, and then load form template. And now you can search masturbation survey like this. After you found it, just click it and load selected template. And now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions at the settings. You can refresh the page like this and click view form and then get link. And just click continue here and go to your account. And now click advanced and then go to view form and then just click allow here. And just wait for it. You will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions or anything in the form. Like for example here I want to insert new row. I use text and just copy the question. And don't forget to change it. For example, I change it into name. So it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the date. And don't forget to change the questions to date of birth like this. And go to your form and it will change like this. So the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore like this. So the row will disappear. Now go to settings to change the background color of your form. And pick any color that you want. It's very easy to use. It will change instantly like this. Also, I want to give an example to change a style for the title. I delete the mark behavior here, so the title will stuck like this. Thank you.